Hello, and yeah, welcome back. So we're still working on details for this. I added a few little bits and pieces on these tentacles, and they're going well. I worked out how to get holes, and I can't believe I didn't think of this before on the on these bits, but it means kind of redoing. Basically redoing these parts. So basically what you do is, so we'll take that and we'll mask where we want the holes to be, and we'll invert, and then we'll go extract and extract. Nope, not that big. Like that. And then we'll solo that, and we'll just it will just move the geometry around here so that we still got did I turn symmetry off? There we go. So we just want to make sure that we have big enough hole so that when we dynamesh it's all good. So they'll be in geometry. Cool. And then we go back in and we'll delete, and then we have the holes there. So it's not too bad. Let's not have this. Actually, we'll just do this, won't we? Awesome. Cool, so we've got some holes there, and we'll do the same for all of this again, which kind of sucks. But we're getting there definitely. I'll work on these, I suppose. I'm going to solo those out. Actually 36. Cool. So we'll do what we did with the other one, and we'll crumple these so that we get a bit of variation in their sort of base design, I suppose. Like that. Cool. That looks alright. And then, so we didn't, doesn't look like we ever flattened all of this. So we did one. So let's go around and flatten the rest of these. So just use the flat brush and just give them some shape as well. Cool. And then this one down here as well. Ooh, what happened there? Yep, sweet. Cool. So there, it's already looking better, which is good. We'll save that. I'm going to just see if this works. So I'm going to take these teeth and we'll duplicate. Oops. And we'll use this tool and we're going to put some teeth in the front here. So we'll solo these for a bit and then we'll just make these a bit smaller. Like so. We'll go in and edit those a bit better. And we'll do the same, so we'll go duplicate. And we'll go move. So they've become a bit pointy. It's not what we want. So we'll just use the move tool just to make them a bit more round. And I'll just change to clay build up just to cut the shape kind of back in to them a bit, so they should look good. And then we'll just take this and we'll just kind of close this up. Okay. Sweet. Well, it looks good. And we'll do the same for the bottom as well, because it looks kind of weird, I think, without teeth in the middle here. So I'm just going to save that as well. I guess in fact we could just take what we've got, rotate it, move them around. So we'll take this and we'll go duplicate, and we'll go E, and we'll go like this, and we'll move them down. And we'll just make them a bit more teeth-like. Okay. We'll take these ones and we'll go duplicate, and we'll go around, down. There you go. Perfect. Okay, looks good. Alright, quick introduction to adding more teeth. So save again, we'll leave it there. So hopefully you've had a good Tuesday, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.